Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you haven't subscribed, if you want to see more video of mine, please don't forget to subscribe button and hit the notification bell to notify every time I upload a new video. Guys, into this video, I purchased Christian Dior beauty items, and also a JACQUEMUS. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly if I'm wrong. So I just make in one video for this too, because JACQUEMUS is having on sale, and every time they have on sale, I always order something from them. Just like during summertime they always do that. And also DIOR I order because I want to gift it to someone, a family. And so yeah, let's start with this one for here. This is I think from JACQUEMUS because it's very light. Here it is. They actually do that well packed. It's so and the good thing about this, they always comes with dust bag, to be honest with you. And I think when I purchased another one, I was last 2 years ago, I ordered something, and this is a same hat but in a bucket baja hat. That's the name of it. And so it comes with a dust bag, and I do have their it's like a baseball hat, and this one is because they have it on sale, and I love that they have a logo over there. And they only have choices, this light pink, dark pink, and the blue one. I picked the pink because it's more like a girly, and they also having the one with a string that you can adjust. It doesn't do, so I decided to get this one instead. Look at that, it's so cute. And it fit nicely on me. So yeah, I can't wait. It's summertime. It's really hot in Florida right now. And yes, glad I get the size for this. I was thinking maybe I will get the blue one because it's really cute. And the price, I think I paid for what, $97 for this. And look at this, and you can adjust as well, which is really cute. A good thing I like this about this one is because you can adjustable, you can make a ribbon. That's why I'm debating the other one with a string in the front or the adjustable one in the back. So this one, it's really good fit for me, and I think I can use this a lot. Okay, fix my hair. So moving on with DIOR. Okay, I'm ordering this because oh wait, it's not even completely remove it. There you go. Wow, look at this. Can you believe that? Wow. Oh, that's really nice box. So here is the item. Is that I ordered 2 items from them, but I got a promo code, so that's why I also get items. Pouch, as usual, always get something with freebies. Christian Dior home for men, and this one. And also I always get this thing every time you had 100 or more, you always get free mini sample, and I thought I get 2. I believe I get 2, but they gave me only supposed to be 2 sample of this. And yeah, they only give me 1. Supposed to be 2, guys. Yes. So actually, yeah, now I'm disappointed because they don't send me another one. It's supposed to be 2 because every 100 you purchase, you have 1 free like this, but I purchased 200 more. Anyway, so the item that I order is this concealer here from Backstage because I like this one and I ran out already. And it's a good price from a concealer of DIOR. I do have the other one, but I don't really care that much. I have more like this in a good price as well, which is good deal. And the other one I purchased is this one over here. It's a man, it's the smallest one. Actually, I will give this to my partner one of my gift for him. So that's why I don't want to open it, because this is a gift. And the only items as well that I get is the free items, which is two over here. Let's see. The one that's free is, this is the one, because the one I have, it's already like worn out. I have that for years. This is a for your phone, and it has DIOR name on it. See that? DIOR. So I want to change mine to this one. It's really cute. So that's the one. And also get this one over here. That's the white pouch. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It's so beautiful. Oh, I never thought it was cute like this. See, I can wear this and bring this one when I'm traveling. It's a perfect size. It's not too big. I do have another one for my travel when I go around in here. That's the one because it's big a lot. This one, it's perfect and it's really cute. It's embroidery named DIOR in it, and it's white. Like, it's so cute, guys. So let's see. In a card, I asked for a blank. Actually, I asked for a blank card. So yeah, that's it, guys, for my today's video. Hopefully you like. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.